Alright guys, today we're on Ollie's Outdoors and we're going to be letting our chickens and ducks out and checking on the chickens and the one duck that we actually hatched. So we're going to come in here, open the hatch door, and I hope your day is going really well, because mine is. Close that behind me. Then we're going to open this latch. Open that up, and then we have it on the nail. These are all the chickens and ducks. They're getting so big, the babies that we got from the Tractor Supply. Now we're gonna go inside of the coop. Open this up. Oh, we got a duck egg. See right here. Mr. Duck egg. There's something right here. Of course, we have 4 broody hens. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. See ya.